Yo, what's going on, guys? We're back again with another tutorial. This time around we'll be doing this cool transition that you can use in your music video. Let's get started. So you already have your two clips that you'll be working on your timeline. The first clip and then the second clip you'll be transitioning into. So you go to the first clip where you want the transition to start from, where the beat hit. You go there, make a duplicate of this video, drag this side to where it starts, then go to transform, change it to 80%, then go to 5 frames forward or where another beat hit, go there, make a duplicate of this, move this side, go to the transform, change it to 60%. Then go forward again, make a duplicate of this clip, drag this to this side, change the size of this to 40%. Then go forward, make a duplicate of this clip, drag this to this side, and change the transform of that to 20%. So now you'll bring the second clip you'll be transitioning into on top of all the videos. Then change the size to 20% so it will match the last one that we did. So from 20 on this clip to 20 of this clip. Then from there, make another duplicate of that and drag it to where you want the transition to end. And change the scale of the top video that you made a duplicate now to 100%, back to 100%. Now let's wait for it to render and see how it looks like. So there you go, guys. Very simple and easy to achieve this transition. If you really enjoyed this and learned something from this today, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and also to hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop some awesome cool videos like this. As always, my name is Joey. Stay safe out there. Peace out.